Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do something else. I have black tips from SHARKWERKS on my car, but they start to come a little bit rusty, and I want to remove the rust. Here I'm gonna show you the rust spots on my SHARKWERKS exhaust. It's not nice on a black exhaust. You really see good rust on it, but in the future I want to replace them with titanium exhaust tips from GCR Racing normally, because I really like titanium, and also they change from color. They come from purple to yellow, blue. I think it will match the car. Voila. Oh, looks really black, really dirty. And the exhaust tips also, they look really shit for the moment. I cleaned it a little bit, but if you see, it's not nice anymore. Especially, I like everything nice and clean. I sand it down with this, because I don't have so many sandpapers, but also it's not so heavy when you go over. The scratches are not so deep. We're gonna paint them with heat paint, and it's only temporary. That I'm gonna use them in a few months or something. I'm gonna buy the new ones, and for now I want to have it a nice look and not rusty, because it's a small detail. From this one I removed the paint already. It looks much better, all the rust is gone, and you see here, this one still looks shit. Only, need to do this part between, but here everything is gone. Only sand it down a little bit more, and that you don't see the scratches through the paint. My hands look already really black. Ready with sanding everything from the tips. Now we're gonna paint them with primer, and then we wait a little bit till it is dry, and then we're gonna put the matte black paint over it. I'm just back from the shop, and I bought 2 candles of black heat resistant paint. Just finished the exhaust tips. They look good again, no rust anymore. They are a little bit wet, but let them dry a few more hours, and then I put them back on the car. Last night I didn't have time to put the tips back on the car. It was already dark, and here in Belgium now it's also a lot of wind outside and cold. I gotta do it now. It's in the afternoon. Now the tips are 100% dry, and it's perfect to put it on the car. tips are back on the car. They look much better again. The rust is gone. The car looks really dirty for the moment. It's all dust because there was a storm in Belgium. We're gonna clean them also today. I just bought also a new equipment for filming and also to make pictures of my car. It's a Canon EOS 80D. The first time I buy a camera like this, I still need to search and learn some things, how it works. Now I use the new Canon. It's a really good quality, also a wider view. Before I used the DJI Pocket. It was also really light and it's easy to put it in your pocket. But for now I will make nicer videos, and I think it was important to invest for a new camera and also to take pictures of my car. If you like my videos, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions or requests, put them below, and see you in the next vlog.